Submerge. A truth revealed. Frank is flying the helicopter over the Bering Sea. A crab boat is hailing a mayday call. Frank, Justin, and Zael are on their way to the scene. Voltage is standing on the boat's deck, laughing. Voltage grabs Justin by the throat and hovers him in the air. Justin grabs him by the head and pushes him. Voltage shocks him. I can't kill you yet. I need Submerge to witness it. Show him that he can't save everyone. You won't break him. He doesn't even know me. It doesn't matter. He cares for all innocence. That's his weakness. And what's yours? I don't have any. I care for myself and only myself. You sound like you need some friends. Don't worry about that, hero. I have some pretty powerful friends. When he was caught, that's when he took on the villain role to destroy his town who turned their back on him. He claims he wanted to save his city, but his family was too weak to see that. Voltage unleashes a giant lightning bolt from his chest, hitting Justin and sending him through the air. He splashes into the water as a wave knocks him under. Frank swims toward him, but Voltage shoots his lightning arrow at him. An arrow hits Frank. Splendid. Submerge creates a water spout under him to lift him in the air. He sees Frank and Justin sinking. Voltage continues to shoot arrows at Submerge. He raises his arms, creating a giant wave on both sides of Voltage. The waves crash down on Voltage before he can escape. Submerge swims to Frank and then to Justin. He takes him back to shore, making sure they're still breathing. Voltage surprise attacks Submerge on land, taking him out of his element. Luckily, he can create water from the air. Submerge dodges every attack. The citizens are standing around watching. Using that to his advantage, Voltage destroys buildings, cars, and the surrounding area, leaving them vulnerable.